Good morning, students. Welcome to your English PDF. Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to revise Lesson 7 Clever Fox and Credible and Lesson 8 Mohan Likes Reading. So, children, you take out your English book, English literature copy, and revision copy and get ready for the revision. So, children, take out lesson 7 Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf and lesson 8 Mohan Likes Reading. I hope you understand these two stories beautifully. Okay. Now take out your literature copy and the exercises you are doing already done in your copy. First, lesson 7 Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf, word and their meanings. What is the word greedy? Greedy means instantly deserves. Second, frighten, to terrify, growl, to grumble, roar, loud sound of lion or wolf, whisper, low speech, suddenly, absolutely. Then after you take out question answer. Who was clever? How was he clever? Answer. The fox was clever because he ate only one cake and he took 3 cakes and put them outside the window. Next. Who was greedy? How was he greedy? Answer. The wolf was greedy because he ate lots of cakes. Question number 3. Who could not get through the small window? Why not? The wolf could not get through the small window because uh, he was too fat. Now, what do you think happened to the wolf? Answer. The greedy wolf got bitten by the woman. Question number 5. What lesson do you learn from the story? Answer. We learn from this story that we should not get greedy. Now, next exercise, complete the sentences. Lesson 7. The fox was frightened of the wolf. The fox took the wolf to an old house. Next, the woman was putting cakes on a shelf. Next, the woman went out of the kitchen. Next, the fox jumped through the small window. Now, next exercise, write true or false. First, the fox was clever. Yes, true. The fox took the wolf to an old house. True. The kitchen window was very big. False. The wolf ate only one cake. False. The woman was putting cakes on a shelf. True. Now, next exercise we are doing. Match the opposite naming word. Opposite meaning word, sorry. Match the opposite meaning words. Sitting, standing. Inside, outside. Asleep, awake. More, less. Dirty, clean. Now, you take out next chapter, Lesson 8, Mohan likes reading. I hope you read this story and understand. Now, take out exercises. First, lesson 8, word and their meanings. Quiet, calm. Large, big or white. Return, to give back. Alone, single. Voice, power of speech. Library, collection of books. Okay. Then after, check out next exercise question and their answer. What was Mohan doing in the room? Mohan was reading a book in the room. What was the time on the clock? Answer. The time was 10 past 5 on the clock. Question 3. Why did Mohan not look at the clock before? Answer. The book was very interesting. That's why he did not look at the clock before. This is clock. CLOCK. Clock before. Why was Mohan a little frightened? Answer. Mohan was alone in the room. The windows and doors were locked, so Mohan got a little frightened. Next question. Whom did Mohan call on the telephone? Answer. Mohan called senior master on the telephone. Question 6. What did the senior master ask Mohan? Answer. The senior master asked to Mohan, why do you want to get into the library? What did Mohan tell the senior master? Mohan told to the senior master, I don't want to get into the library. I am in the library and want to get out. I am locked in. Now, next question. How do you think Mohan got out of the library? The answer. I think the senior master helped Mohan to get out from the library. Now, next. Lesson 8, fill in the blanks. Mohan likes reading. The room was very quiet. Very quiet. Mohan, next. Mohan closed the book and got up. Now, 3. The clock told him it was 10 past 5. 4. There was nobody in the room. 5. Mohan went to a large desk. Next, on the desk was a telephone. 7. Mohan became a little frightened. Now, lesson 8, next exercise, write true or false these sentences. The room was very noisy. No, false. The clock told him it was 10 past 5. True. The windows and doors were unlocked. False. Mohan became a little frightened. True. Mohan was locked in the library. True. So, children, you read it, learn it, then after you close this copy and then after you take out your revision copy. First, you put date 28/12/2020 Monday, lesson 7 and lesson 8. Revision test. First question, write meaning of this word. Greedy, suddenly, quiet, alone, voice. Okay, you write down meaning. Then write answer these questions. First question: who could not get through the small window? Why not? Next, what lesson do we learn from the story? Next, what was the time on the clock? Next, what did the senior master ask Mohan? Next, what did Mohan tell the senior master? I, ha- I hope you learn this question's answer. Now you write. Now, next question, complete the sentences. The woman went out, dash, you fill it here. Next, the fox jumped, next. The room was very, dash. Now, on the desk there was a, now 5. Mohan became a little, dash. Then after, next, write true or false. The kitchen window was very big. The woman was putting cakes on a shelf. Mohan became a little frightened. Mohan was locked in the library. So, children, you do this work in your revision copy with a beautiful and neat handwriting and get ready for the exam.